What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you another trading platform that you guys could go ahead and check that also has the advanced trading features that you could use when you do your technical analysis. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of FutureFinance24. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and quickly check their website before we head on to the trading room where I could show you those advanced features that are those advanced tools that you could use when you do your technical analysis. So they are a trading platform, guys, where you can gain exposure to multiple asset classes, just like what they say here. And they have stocks, indices, commodities, and Forex in a single platform, which is actually good, guys. They even have bundles in here. So you have all these foreign currencies that you could go ahead and check out. So if you are that type of trader that trades, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and whatever, like Forex as well. So this is a good trading platform that has it like a one-stop shop for you, right? Now, one account, endless market opportunities is what they say. Real service and support, fast and transparent, and technology and tools are what they are bragging about. Now, all right, so let's go ahead and check out the account types, guys. So these are the different account types that you could choose from bronze all the way to the platinum. So the most popular choice is the gold. Okay, so you have minimum deposits. So according to which type you are going to be subscribed on. So this one is $250, the minimum deposit. Okay, this one is $2,500. Gold is $10,000, and then platinum is at $50,000 minimum. So maximum leverage is 1:200. This one is 1:300, 1:400, and 1:500. So for the leverage, it depends on the account type that you're going to be choosing from. So you have sign-up bonus. So you have daily for basic trading platform access. So silver has advanced trading platform access. For gold, you have the VIP trading platform access, both for gold and platinum. Now for the daily trading generated by AI, 3 to 5 for this one. Okay, 5 to 7 for this. 7 to 10 for this one, and then 10 to 15 for the platinum. So as you can see, guys, depending on what type you are subscribed to, that's the number of features that you will be getting. So you have a lot more in this one, and you could go ahead and check this. But before heading to purchase but before subscribing to anything, I would still strongly suggest that you go ahead and do your own research. But this is something that you could really consider as your one-stop trading platform. So you have the About Us here, you have FAQs. So these are your trading FAQs. Okay, getting started, banking and trading. What is future finance? So you just go ahead and click on that. We'll show you the answer to your FAQs. All right. So those are the top things that you could check out in their website. So you could still check out the other places in their website to gain more information. But those are the top things that I feel you guys need to know the most before you start trading. So this is the trading room, guys. Cryptocurrencies is up here, okay? And if you click on this My Account, that will show you the account that I am in. All right, so this is the trading room, guys, and these are the tokens that you have, or the cryptocurrency tokens. Now, I know for a fact that some of us really prefer trading certain tokens for their daily trading, like buy and sell and all those good stuff. Like say, for example, all right, Bitcoin is one of my favorites. I'll click on that one. You have Doge to Bitcoin, and Doge to USDT is also the one that I prefer, and Ethereum. Okay, so I clicked on the stars for that. And if I click on favorites, it will appear in that. So let's make our lives easier and just put it in our favorites. So on the left side of the trading chart here, okay, these are the trading tools that you really, really love to use, all right? So you have the pitchfork, and that's not just the pitchfork that they have. So once you click this small little greater than sign, okay, you will have a lot more pitchfork types that you could use, all right? So say for example, you are clicking that, and you already have your pitchfork right here. See? Bam, bam. Right? You have your lines for, say, for example, this is my resistance and this is my support line, right? The things that we do when we do our technical analysis, this will definitely make our lives easier and will give us a better picture on what trades we need to execute out of the trading tools that we have. There's a ton of trading tools that you could use, guys. You could just imagine, right? So you could use everything before you start, putting your positions. Okay, so this is actually really, really good. So if you have, or if you started all your favorites on the left side, that's one part of making your life easier because you have it all viewed here and you have it on top right here. You can see it. Okay, so once you click on that, notice the one here on the right side. Okay, Doge, it will change. And then Doge USDT, it'll change. ETC, it will change, right? So it will make your trading a lot easier and more efficient, basically. So you have like the open, pending, and closed orders on your bottom part. You have the maximum leverage here, 1:10, okay? Take profit, place order, pending. You have your limit trading here. All right, guys, so I also have 2 articles here that has been written by 2 websites and will be linked in the description, guys. This first one is by thewix.com. In this article, guys, FutureFinance24 is actually praised for its robust security measures and user-friendly interface that is also promoting economic participation and the facilitation of financial transactions. Now, the platform also adapts to diverse economic environments as well as adhering to regulatory guidelines and local market demands. Now, guys, its creative approach and ongoing research and development makes it stand out among its competitors. Now, for this other article, guys, right here, which is written by the Daily Guardian, it says in this article that Future Finance 24 uses artificial intelligence to enhance financial sector operations and client interactions. Now, it also simplifies processes, improves decision-making, and facilitates faster transaction processing, which enables financial institutions to navigate market complexities with greater agility. And I would also suggest that you use these articles, guys, to do your own research. That way you would know more about who Future Finance 24 is and what those famous articles are talking about them. All right? Okay, so those are the things that you are looking for a really, really good trading platform. So go ahead and check out Future Finance 24, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And of course, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your cryptocurrency journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out.